Hi lovelies, today I'm going to show you step by step on how I made the foam wrap that I used in making this twist, and this is the end result. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the recipe. I have my water measured out at 208 grams and I added 4 grams of glycerin into it and mix. After mixing my glycerin, the next thing I'm going to add is my PVP powder, 14 grams, and mix. This ingredient is going to take a little bit time to hydrate into the water and mix properly. Make sure you mix it until the water is very clear, like you are no longer seeing any powder substance in the water, before you can go in with any other ingredient. It will take you like about 5 minutes to do that, so just be patient with it. This is the only ingredient that take time to mix. Be patient with it. After that, the next ingredient I'm going to add is my polyquat 11. That is polyquatrum 11. If you call it polyquat, the chemical seller will know exactly what you are talking about. I added 6 grams of that into the mixture and mix. Next thing I add is my citrulline chloride, 2 grams. After adding my citrulline chloride, I'm going to mix it. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my cocoa bean, 12 grams. After adding it, mix gently because this is a surfactant. Mix gently so that it will not overfoam. After mixing my cocoa bean, I'm going to go in with 2 grams of my dipantanol and mix. After adding my dipantanol and mixing it, the next thing I'm going to add is my preservative, 2 grams, and mix. I use a phenolic ethanol. You can use any other broad spectrum preservative. And after doing that, I add my fragrance and check the pH of my formulation. Please note it is very important to check the pH of your formula so that it can be on right pH. As you can see, the pH of this formula is around 7, which is very high for our hair. So we need to bring it down to 5 or 4.5 to the right pH. I added just a little bit of citric acid to bring down the pH, and now the pH is okay. The next thing we are going to do is to bottle our formulation. As you can see, the production comes out very well. Please, if you have watched to this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel.